Well, it's 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready now. Go, cat, go, but don't you turn that TV dial, cause it is time for the Signature Mike Show. For I can't help falling in love with you. You can't help but falling in love with the Lovis Foundation either. And tonight I have Renee Isley with me with the Lovis Foundation. Thank you for being here.
Michael, thank you.
Renee is part of the Lovis Foundation, and let's just tell them what that means so they understand this, and then let's talk about it.
Yeah, well, first I think to understand Lovis, you need to understand Logan.
Yes.
So our son Logan was born with an undiagnosed genetic disorder. I was actually told he wouldn't live more than 3 years.
Wow.
We had over 19 amazing years with him.
Awesome.
And he, like I said, undiagnosed. When you're undiagnosed, you're followed by a lot of different specialties. And so he was followed by 17 plus specialists. By the time he was 7, Michael had been through the surgery department over 100 times.
Oh my goodness.
So just really medically fragile. Discovered Elvis and absolutely fell in love.
Awesome.
And by the time he passed away, he was an Elvis tribute artist.
Oh my goodness.
And would use his love of Elvis to do little concerts to raise money for those with disabilities.
Oh, what a big heart.
So after he passed away, of course, we had to continue that joy and love that he had.
Yes.
On that outreach to the community. And so we created the Lovis Foundation, and our mission is to spread joy to the under-recognized and under-supported, and we do a lot for young people in the disability community.
Fantastic. Now, you moved recently from the Cincinnati area
We did.
to Columbia, South Carolina. So now this organization's becoming strong in Columbia.
That is correct.
Not far from Augusta.
Yes,
Just
that
an
is
hour up the
true.
road. You recently had an event.
We did.
Yes, it
an
was a
amazing
dance,
dance.
yes. I was the Elvis.
Of course, and you were fantastic, by the way.
Well, you're sweet.
did.
You can't help but have fun with these
Yeah.
kids that are challenged, and Elvis is such a caricature that they can feel comfortable with and relate with, and it was so fun to dance with those kids and have fun with them. It really was.
Well, you could certainly see that, and they enjoyed it as well.
So tell us how people can get involved with Lovis Foundation.
So the one thing that I would say is that if you are a parent of a child, or you know someone who does have a child with a visible or invisible disability, connect with us. I mean, what we are doing, there's nothing else like it, Michael. I mean, these kids do not have the opportunities to have fun with their peers, and not just that. It's also creating a way that these parents are caregivers, which can be really isolating.
Yes.
And now the parents and the caregivers are in a space where they get to engage with others, because every one of our events, the parent and the caregiver, they're invited too.
Yes, at the event I was at, I saw the caregivers.
Yeah.
Sometimes it was a parent or parents, and sometimes siblings, and they were all just having a really great time. You had amazing volunteers. You had great music. You had great food. The food was really, really great. So people can get involved, come to these events. The caregivers can come, the families can come. Let's give the people the website where they can reach out.
So our website is lovisfoundation.org, and Lovis is Lovis foundation.org. I do want to also mention that the dance is not the only thing that we do.
Okay.
We also have student awards. So as we were talking in the community, like, where are the gaps, right? One of the things that came up was school administration told us there are these amazing kids doing incredible things in their communities, and we have no way to recognize them.
Right.
Because the majority of the awards have an academic requirement. Some of these kids, it's amazing that they're just showing up, right? And so they're not the most popular kids, but they are kids that are spreading joy. They are making a difference. It's that kid.
Yes.
That kid that sees something and is like, oh my God, the homeless, like we need to collect coats. It's that kid, right?
Yes.
These are the kids that we're recognizing, and we make a big deal out of them. So our nomination process is open now. If you go to our website, it only takes a few minutes to just click on the link, tell us why this kid should be recognized, and at the end of March, we'll be making a decision. We go to the school awards ceremonies. We are demonstrating to their peers that being kind, seeing the needs of others, that matters.
It's so important today.
It is so important.
It really
They
is.
get a trophy. Michael, a trophy.
Oh my
I mean,
gosh.
so a sign in their yard that says an award winner lives here.
Wow.
It's money. They get money. I mean, it's a beautiful
thing. You make these kids feel so special.
Yes.
And again, being at the event I was at, those kids felt so special.
Yes, they certainly
so
do.
Different.
Thank you for saying that.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for being here today. Guys, get involved. Don't be a hound dog and don't step on my blue suede shoes. But you check out the Lovis Foundation.